In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize your reading library in Notion. We're going to build a clean, flexible space to track what you want to read, what you are currently reading, and what you've finished, all in a way that feels simple and enjoyable to use. Start by creating a new page in Notion and choose either the table or gallery view for your database. If you like a spreadsheet-style layout that's easy to sort and scan, table is a great starting point. If you are more visual and want your book covers front and center, pick gallery. Don't stress too much about the choice. You can switch or add additional views later without losing any of your data. Next, add the essential properties that will power your library. Create a status property using the select type and add options like to read, reading, finished, and did not finish. This single field becomes the backbone of your workflow, helping you see where each book stands at a glance. Add a genre property using multi-select. Enter categories that fit your collection: fiction, non-fiction, fantasy, and anything else you read. Because it's multi-select, a book can live comfortably in more than one genre, which makes your library much more flexible. Set up a rating property as a select and use emojis for quick visual cues. Many readers like 1 to 5 stars, but you can use whatever symbols feel natural to you. A consistent rating scale helps you remember how you felt about a book long after you've finished it. For author, choose either text to simply type the author's name or relation if you prefer to link to a dedicated author database. Text is fast and perfectly fine. A relation can be helpful if you later want to see all books by the same author in one place. Add a progress property as a number or formula. Use it to track pages read versus total pages. If you prefer something simple, enter a number for your percentage. If you are comfortable with formulas, calculate it from pages read and total pages, so your progress updates automatically as you go. With your properties set, explore different views. Gallery view is ideal if you want to showcase book covers and browse visually. Table view shines when you are managing data, updating fields or scanning lots of information quickly. And board view, grouped by status, gives you a satisfying way to drag books between to read, reading, finished, and did not finish as your journey continues. That's your organized reading library in Notion. Thanks for watching.